of sleep, tossed and turned and hoped for dreams. Awakened by your voice that was so clear, it felt so near.